Hey guys, we're here with Jeremy from 3D Printing Gear at the EDUTECH 2024. And Jeremy, what is it that you guys bring on this year today?
So we've come along and we mainly supply 3D printers to schools, and we're trying to make it as easy as possible for schools to integrate 3D printing into the curriculum and show the massive advantage of incorporating something like that.
What are some of the benefits of printing stuff with your technology? Because when we just first came in, I really thought that was a shoe.
Yeah.
But when you look at it, like you gotta take a really close look at this. Look, it's so real.
3D printing's really come a long way, especially in the last 1.5 years. So what we've done is the printers that we supply and what we try and bring along is they've become so easy now that you can just literally pick it up, put it on the table, you can just start using it. So it really brings the whole design and creativity side that the student can really engage in. What we do is we can either take the printers back, so we can buy them back and use the old printers and donate them to community centers or maker spaces or disadvantaged schools. And then we can upgrade the printers to newer machines so they can really integrate it into their environment and spend time focusing more on the design side and not so much the whole printing side, so you can really make really interesting things. There's even primary school students that now are buying 3D printers. They actually have little businesses on Etsy, on Marketplace, on Shopify, and they actually sell their own little 3D printed figurines or 3D printed tools.
How can people get in touch with you, and what would they expect from, I guess, the first point of contact with you guys?
Yep. So you can find us at 3d.printer.gear on Instagram, or you can just go to 3dprintergear.com.au and you'll find us there.